did you get, Ava?
Honey,
Open it. You want to open the paper?
a paper.
Open it. Here, pull. Pull right here. Let's open it. What did Rosemary get you?
A t-shirt.
Open it. You want to rip the paper here? Here, pull this. So we can see it. Oh, look at, what is that, Eva? Is that your own little laptop? What do we do? Yay! How cute!
Choose a category.
Gummy.
You want to choose a category? Let's do, ooh, should we do letters?
Press a letter to hear its sound.
Do you want to push an A? Can you see the A or not?
A. A is for X. X is for X-ray. Choose the object for you.
I think it's a hit. That's awesome. Wow, sweetie.